Let's look at Chapter 3. In Chapter 3, we discuss about the switching in an analog environment. In this chapter, we discuss first the introductory, just a brief history of the evolution of the switching technology over the past century. And we need to be aware of the computer switching system requirement. Also, we need to know the structure for our telephone number. Here we see that the first three digits used for the local exchange and the next four for the subscriber. We need to be aware of the basic function for a switch. Means that what a switch or exchange have to be able to achieve, such as interconnection and control, etc. We need to know different generations of switches we have here. The first generation is step by step, and the most current one would be the soft switching system, such as those used for voice over IP. Here, we need to understand the meaning for certain definition here when we measure the performance for the switching system. We need to understand the basic module or element for store program controlled switching system, such as it would need to have a switching matrix and different kind of memory and a processor. The pros and cons for this kind of SPC switching technology. Also, we need to understand the basic element for circuit switching architecture. And when we measure the performance of a telephone network, we would need to understand the traffic, say how or what kind of parameter we use to measure the traffic. And we need to connect certain data for us to evaluate the network performance, and it would be important for us to have this kind of data for us to do some analysis how effective or ineffective the operation for local telephone network. Finally, we need to understand the switching office have a different kind of layers or different they operate different level. The bottom one would be the local offices, and the top will be toll office, or we sometimes call long distance exchange.